So Jake Weber, the YouTuber I watch, he released his first ever song on YouTube, video as well. And I'm gonna react to it with you guys, and hopefully you guys like this song he did. And yeah, so here you go. I love it.
I am a walking zombie. Is this called normal? Be just like everybody, but I feel nothing at all. Lock me up mental handcuffs. I'll shut the fuck up. Yes, doctor, about another. Is this what you want? Make me a people pleaser. Make me a bill eater. Because who I am is wrong. Make me someone I am not. Lock me up mental handcuffs. I'll shut the fuck up. Yes, doctor, about another. Is this what you want? God, I'm made in your image. What kind of image is this? And yes, these meds aren't helping. I'm getting poisoned. I am a walking zombie. Is this called normal? Lock me up, mental handcuffs. I'll shut the fuck up. Yes, Dr. Bob, another. Is this what you want?
Okay, well, Jake, for his first ever song and music video, this song and video is literally so amazing. Like, he went from this really rock kind of like vibe, which I love rock music. Honestly, it's like the best genre like out there. And yeah, like he's just amazing. Like he's talented as well. He's great in this video and song. Like great for you, Jake. Good job. This is amazing. Hope you guys liked this video and my reaction to it. And please, you guys, please subscribe to Jake Weber on YouTube. His music is just incredible. You guys are gonna be so shocked when he makes new music, and like once he make all this new songs and stuff, you guys are gonna be so shocked. It's amazing what he does, honestly. Alright then, thanks for watching. Peace.